Greetings, River Lady here, and it's time for an updated episode of Hydrangea 911. And I apologize, seems my fall jogged my brain a little and it sloshed around in my skull. But anyway, I'm starting with a view of my beautiful river and my little ducky there, but I wanted to show you just how high the water got. If we look across the river and you see that wide band of brown at the base of the vegetation, that's about, I don't know, maybe 2 feet high, 3 feet high, I don't know. It was high. The water came right to the retaining wall edge, and as you know, it flooded this garden in front and back here. My little Caryopteris that I just put in the spring, he died too. Rest in peace, little Caryopteris. Anyway, don't look at my jumble of daylilies. I need to get out here and do some work. However, without much further ado, let's reveal the color of our little hydrangea. Ready? Okay, I'm going to do this without tripping. Coming around here, and ta-da! Look at her. She's pink. Hang on. Let me, I'm just going to splice this so through the magic of editing. Okay, here we go. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her. She's pink. She's a pink hydrangea. I'm wondering if she is an endless summer blushing bride. I don't know. But she is a beauty. And we have more coming in right there. So there you go. Hang on, I'm going to step back without tumbling into the river. So there we have it. Our little hydrangea, Hydrangea 911, bloomed, and we have beautiful blush pink blossoms. Okay, so that's it for Hydrangea 911. I thank you for watching her through the 3 seasons, and we'll just check up on her periodically. And okay, I can't think of anything else, but I can't think of much anyway. So I'll leave you now because I don't have anything else to tell you. And this is River Lady saying thank you for watching. Did I already say that? Okay, losing my mind. Happy gardening and bye.